Charlie, ang galit naman. Okay. Dini.
Elimination ba yun?
Well, what can I say?
Wow!
I like your creativity, style, and sophistication. Relevance of the team, you pull it out, pinalitan niyo si Santa Claus ng Jesus. Let's jingle bells. May synchronization, parang may swimming pa yata nangyari kanina. And at the same time, a combination of gymnasts. Yes. And your ending, okay, captured our attention, kaming lahat,
O, Jensen pa.
that there will be life in the world. And all I want for Christmas is Jesus. Thank you for your presentation. I like it.
Thank you, Horado Charlie. Our next Horado, Jamie.
Simply amazing.
Wow! Thank you! Pasensya kayo, talagang matipid lang talaga yan. Matipid lang. Thank you, Horado Jamie. Our next Horado Shiny.
Parang halata nga na isang beses na nag-practice mo. I-criticize muna natin, pero nakakabilib dahil kahit isang beses na nag-practice, na-incorporate talaga yung sing and dance.
Golden buzzer!
Wala pang practice si Jen doon talaga, absent pa. So nakakatuwa din minention na nila ni Kuya Chad yung pag-highlight kay Jesus. Na-appreciate ko din yun. At saka yung effort ni Army. Grabe! Yeah! Setting panlaban sa B1G ng Ontario. Okay, yun lang. Yung parang gusto kong nervisin sa mga TNT boys, no?
Dapat lang!
Thank you, Horado Shiny.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Billy Bless.